And then I'm gonna fish.
My turn. I think they can probably
That's a big old brim.
I got
You got one? Oh! Was that awesome? What kind of fish is that? A brim?
Yeah, I got one, like Mr. Turtle.
Now, how'd you catch them?
Because I wanted that one.
All right, say I'm the man.
I'm the man. Dad, you
Yes.
hold that and I hold that.
Okay. All right, hold on to this. You videotape me getting them off. Look at that big old fish you caught, Lakin.
There.
That's a nice one, Lakin.
I don't see it like it.
Here, Lakin.
You caught one?
Yeah, it's my turn. You caught one. It's now my turn. Woo,
I caught one like you. I caught one like you. Got one like you.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks. I go and kiss.
Catch more?
I was now and then I got one and he got to me. That was an awesome fish.
It was.